In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel into Monday.com. We're going to walk through taking an existing Excel file and turning it into a brand new board in Monday.com, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring in your spreadsheet, choose the right headers, and map your columns so everything is organized and ready to use. Start by looking at the left-hand panel inside Monday.com. Near the top, you'll see an option labeled Add with a plus sign. Go ahead and click that. This is where you create anything new in your workspace, including boards. From the menu that appears, choose New Board, and then select Import Data. This tells Monday.com that instead of starting from a blank board, you want to build one based on a file you already have. Next, you'll be asked which type of file you're importing. Choose Excel. Monday.com supports both .xlsx and .xls files, so most standard Excel sheets will work. In the Import window, you can either drag and drop your Excel file directly into the box, or click to browse and upload it from your computer. Wait a moment for it to upload and process. Once the file is uploaded, Monday.com will show you a preview of your data. Here, you'll need to tell it which row should be used as your column titles. Usually, this is the first row of your spreadsheet, where you have labels like Task, Owner, Due Date, or Status. Select that row so that each of these labels becomes a column header on your new board. Next, choose which column should be used as the item name. This is the main title for each row in Monday.com, so pick something that clearly identifies each item, like a task name or project name. Selecting a good item name makes your board easier to scan and search later. Now you'll map your remaining columns to Monday.com column types. Go through each column and match it to the best type: status, date, text, numbers, or others that fit your data. For example, if you have a column with In Progress or Done, map it to a status column. If you have deadlines, map those to date columns. Taking a moment to match these correctly will save you time when you start working in the board. When everything looks right and your columns are mapped, click Create Board. Monday.com will build a new board from your Excel file, and you'll see all your data laid out, ready to manage and customize.